right now you have two options, whether to continue this video or stop watching this video. You need to hack your subconscious mind. Yes, you have to hack your subconscious mind. You need to have the mindset, you need to have the energy within you, then you are going to make it. People know a lot of ways to do, but people are not learning how to hack their subconscious mind. If you can hack your subconscious mind, you can do it. But remember one thing, your thoughts create feelings, and feelings create actions, and actions create results. Does it make a sense? And what causes thoughts into you? Listen to me. Programming of your subconscious mind, the conditioning of your mind are creating recurring patterns of thoughts into your mind. Your thoughts are coming in a recurring pattern from your programming, and thoughts are creating feelings, and feelings are creating what? Actions, and actions are creating results. If you are not going to hack your mind is going to hack you. I am a man of action, I am a man of enthusiasm, I am a man of power. And if you are going to get connected with me, you are going to be filled with power, enthusiasm and vigor, because you are born to lead, not to follow. Because you are born to become a victor in your life, not the victim of your life. Guys, I made a video where I told you 10 ways to have a millionaire mindset. There I mentioned one point that don't work to earn money, work to make money. And today I am going to tell you that what is the difference between earning money and making money. Yes, so get ready to watch and complete the videos, then you are going to get filled with new ideas, power and energy. If you are going to watch this kind of the videos, you are going to design your life this way. So here start. Great to see you. If you are watching, you are going to be very, very successful in your life. I love mind map. So again, I am here to make you understand with a clear sense of insight, making money vs earning money. So here I start. First, you try to understand that earning money concept. What is earning money? Yeah, that's great now. You understand now. Earning money. Are you ready to learn? Yeah. Earning money is when you trade your time and energy for money. In other words, you work for an hour, you work for 4 hours, you work for 8 hours, and you get paid for that. It doesn't make a sense whether you are going to get paid for an hour or you are going to get paid as a salary or a monthly basis. You are still paid by someone else in exchange for your time and energy. Does it make a sense? What is earning money? Is when you trade your time and energy for money. Another way I can tell you that when you are working for hours and hours, 8 hours, and instead of that you are getting paid as a monthly salary or that day only, that's called earning money. Is it clear? Now let's move to this making money concept. Woo, it's great. So see, making money. Making money is when you use your own time and energy and your creativity once and you get paid over and over again. And making money puts you in the pilot's seat. In the pilot seat. It allows you to be independent, not dependent on someone else, controlling your wealth potential on a regular basis. Is it clear? Once again, making money is when you use your time and energy and your creativity once and you get paid for that over and over again. Making money puts you in a driver's seat, in a pilot seat. It allows you to be independent. It allows you to be boss of yourself. Nobody is boss for you. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples, and I'm sure that if I give some examples, you will be very clear about this. What is the basic difference between making money and earning money? So let's understand some examples. So here I start. Number one, say building an internet marketing business that you put on autopilot that creates monthly income, cash flow for you. What I'm talking about, any kind of the internet business that you are going to develop on the automation, that once you have developed, but now you don't have to do anything. People will come, people will buy, people will log in into you, and your cash flow is coming to your bank account. I'll just make you understand a little deeply. Suppose you have made a software, any kind of the software, and people have bought your software as a subscription, monthly subscription. They are, once you have developed your software, now people have subscribed and they are paying to you as a monthly subscription. There are so many softwares. I can give you an example, just like email marketing software, GetResponse, ClickFunnels, WebinarZoom for webinars, Demio, Zoom. There are many more. What they have done, they have developed their software once and people are purchasing their software as a monthly subscription or yearly, and they are getting paid for that over and over again. So there are so many softwares, you have understood this. Or affiliate marketing. You have promoted some links of some softwares, products and tools, and you are writing the blogs. Once you have worked, once you have developed the affiliate links and all this, but you are going to get paid for that over and over again. People are going to read your blogs, they're going to click the links, and they're going to purchase any kind of the softwares, or they're going to log in into any kind of the softwares. You are going to get paid for that. Do you know there are some persons, they have made a lot of money just by affiliate marketing. So friends, if you want to start your own business, all you need to do is that just an iPhone or a laptop. I'm sure that you have a laptop. You only need a laptop to start your own journey and making money. Or you can develop your online courses. Once you have worked, you have developed your online courses. Now it is in your online courses are on your website. So you are promoting and people will buy your courses at any given time. You are sleeping, but people are purchasing your courses. They are studying anytime. You are not active. You are just sleeping, somewhere enjoying, but people are purchasing your products. People are, anytime they are coming and purchasing your products. But you are growing. You are getting paid for that. Or any type of e-commerce business. Any type of e-commerce business. You have developed, things are working there, people are coming, purchasing the software, products, physical products, whatever. For that you are not active. You are not sitting and selling the products. That's called the making money. You have developed a product just costing rupees 1,000 rupees. Guess that if you are going to sell that product to 1 lakh person, you calculate 1,000 rupees 1 lakh. How much money is that? So that is called, and if you are going to sell it just within 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or you might sell however it is possible for you. If you are promoting your product, then you can sell just within months. Then how much you are going to make money? You are going to make money. Just you think that. Where you are not doing that, you are doing something else, but people will come and purchase your products. Okay, this is the number one example I told you. Number two, what I want to sell, having a company in which a good number of employees are working in it. Offline companies, maybe you have the construction company, maybe you have any manufacturing company, and good number of the people are working, employees are working under you. Then also you are making money. How? Let me tell you. See, everybody has only 24 hours. But if 100 employees are working under your company, each employee is working 8 hours, it means 800 hours in one day. It means in 24 hours you have 800 hours. They are working for themselves. They are working for their own bread and butter. But they are working for you also. They are also going to create the revenues for you. A little bit they are creating for you. And if you are not active even, but they are active, they are working, and they are making money for you. They are. So you have to think how you can develop your own system that where people can work even in the offline business, and you are going to make money. The simple thing is that you are not active, even you are making money. There are so many people who are enjoying their life, wandering here and there. But it doesn't mean that if the owner, if the boss is enjoying his life, having a party, it means all the employees have stopped working. Today, you have the mobile in your hand. If Mark Zuckerberg is resting, he's not working, it doesn't mean that you are not going to run your Facebook. This way, you are running so many monthly subscription, your mobile data, a lot of softwares that you are running. If they are not active, even you are just operating all this. It means they are resting somewhere else, but we are using their products. They are making money. Does it make a sense to you? I'm sure you have understood. Now, example 3. Creating a new improved product the market needs and wants that you can sell over and over again. You can create a new product that market needs, and you can sell over and over again that product to a large number of the people. And example 4 that I can tell you, that creating franchise model business. What is it? Franchise model business. See, Domino's. I'm giving you just the example. Like Domino's, there are thousands and thousands. If you are going to take the franchise, you have to pay a certain amount, a certain percentage that you are going to make money to Domino's. You have to pay. Why? Because you have taken the franchise, you are using his brand name. That's why you have to pay. So if you are going to channelize your franchise model business, you are going to spread your franchises, and then you are also going to make money because you are going to get certain amount from all the franchisee holders. That's awesome. If you can do this, that is really awesome. And guys, those are young stars, those who want to really start their own life, those who want to build your life, jump into online business, jump into the internet business. All you need to do, just a laptop or iPhone, and you can start building your own business. That is really awesome. An example, now example 5. Writing a book and getting paid every time you sell, or sometimes for the rest of your life you are getting the royalty. So this way, you have just written a book, you have published, but you are going to get the royalty throughout of your life. or every time you can sell it and you can get paid for. Now, example 6, coming up with an invention that you sell your license to a person or company for which you receive an ongoing royalty. Got it? You have developed kind of the license or an invention, and you have licensed to a person or a company. For that you are receiving an ongoing royalty. This way you can do. You here you are making money. All the examples that I'm giving are the examples of making money. Earning money is just that you are giving your time, money, energy. Instead of that, you are getting paid for. That's it. But making money has a large concept. Whether you are sleeping in bed, though money is coming into your account, you are sleeping, but people are coming to your products and purchasing your products and doing all the activities. Number 7, installing an ATM machine in stores where you can get a small percentage of every transaction. That's the good example. And then number 8, investing in dividend producing stocks or other interest producing financial instruments that pay out regularly. Does it make sense? Investing in dividend producing stocks or other interest producing financial instruments that pay out regularly. So these are the examples that I have shared with you, that you can understand very clearly what is the difference between making money and earning money. Guys, I want to tell you that in example 1, I have modeled my business. Friends, I want to tell you that I have modeled my business in the internet world. I have created my online courses, and I have promoted some affiliate softwares, affiliate linking, and I have promoted some blogs where I have just worked once, but that is for throughout my life. People can come and read and click the links, and that can make the recurring patterns of income. I have worked once and I promoted my affiliate softwares. A lot of softwares and tools that I am using, I have all tools. I have created my affiliated links. I have created my online courses. You can go and see habjitendrakushwaha.in. You'll go and you can get all the courses there. You can see. I have worked there once, but I will be sleeping, but people can purchase my products at any given moment of the time, and the money can come into my account. Whether I am active or not, it doesn't make a sense. And even the videos that I'm making right now, all the videos I'm making and putting on YouTube, on Facebook or Instagram, once I am creating the videos, after that I'll be busy with something else. But what do you think? People will not watch when I am not active. I will be sleeping, I'll be doing something, though people will be watching my videos. People will be watching, even at night, even any time, whenever they can get time and they cannot. And the videos can create even the payouts for you. Only once you have to create the videos, but those videos are going to be watched, those videos are going to be viewed throughout your life. And the videos are going to create the revenues. That's the example of making money. Just I gave you some examples of making money and earning money. I hope that you have understood. And youngsters, you must start your life in the online business, in the internet world, where you can make money. And that is really awesome. Don't wait. Just you need to have a laptop and the iPhone, and you can start creating. You can start building your affiliate marketing is, you can become a blogger, you can create your own online courses, you can do whatever you want to do in the online business. I'm creating. That is really awesome. Don't wait. But for that, you need to hack your subconscious mind. Yes, you have to hack your subconscious mind. You need to have the mindset. You need to have the energy within you. Then you are going to make it. People know a lot of ways to do, but people are not learning how to hack their subconscious mind. If you can hack your subconscious mind, you can do it. That's why I have created my course, 4% Success Mind Hacks, where I'm teaching people that how you can hack your mind. If you're not going to hack your mind is going to hack you.